Why are your closing costs so expensive in the summer months? Well, you need to know what are your closing costs when buying a home, and those are going to be your lender fees, your title fees, your taxes, and your insurance. And what's going to inflate them the most is going to be your property taxes. Let's break it down. So let's use, for easy numbers, a $300,000 purchase, since that is the median price home in Louisville, Kentucky. If you were to close in the fall months, they are going to run you probably closer to that $8,000 to $9,000 range. Right now in the summer months, it is going to be more, and that's inflated due to your property taxes and sending more to your escrow account to make sure we have plenty in there. And they are currently now probably around 12 to 13,000. I'm not a lender, so you can't take my word on it, but that's about where we're at when we're asking for closing costs at the moment. So you may be asking, what is an escrow account? This is going to be a third-party bank account that your lender is going to fill up for your insurance and as well as your property taxes. See, in November, on some of the properties I have, I did not escrow the funds. I pay in full. So you do have to write a check to your local government for that property tax bill when the time does come in November. Or similar to an insurance bill if you don't play into escrow. So you don't have that third-party bank account paying those on a monthly basis to help not have a big cost out of pocket initially. So a lot of people when buying a home have two big cost items. It's going to be your closing costs and it's going to be your down payment. And how can we eliminate one of these? It's going to be your closing costs. And one way is going to be throwing it into your loan, which can be done, but also, which is very frequent now in this market, is going to be asking the seller to actually pay the buyer's closing costs, which ultimately when you're as a seller, I would say to look at your net number when somebody is asking for your closing costs. Don't be offended. It's just people have a lot of fees going out of their pocket when initially buying a home, and also life. They're going to be adjusting to this new home, and paying somebody's closing costs is not the end of the world. It's just part of business and part of your negotiation. So if you are interested in maybe buying a home this summer or even in the fall months, let's plan ahead. Let's sit down, talk business, talk shop, and see how we can plan accordingly to get you in your home for the least amount of money as possible out of your pocket. Call me, Ethan John Adams. See ya.